In today's video I'm going to show you how to crop an image to shape in Figma. First, ensure that your image is on canvas in Figma. This will be image you want to crop. Next, you need to create shape you want to crop image to. Select Ellipse Tool by pressing O on your keyboard. Click and drag on the canvas by holding Shift to create perfect circle. Adjust size as needed. Position circle over the part of image you want to crop. To make sure shape acts as mask, shape needs to be behind image. Select image, right-click and choose bring to front. With image and shape selected, right-click and choose use mask. This action will crop image to shape, creating mask group. You can still make adjustment after applying mask. To reposition or resize image within the mask, double-click to select image layer inside mask group. You can also resize shape by selecting it and dragging its corners. Mask image will be grouped together. You can lock group in layers panel to prevent accidental movement. Rename group by double-clicking on group name in the layers panel for better organization.